Okay friends, now I will share to you some tutorials about Tkinter. So you didn't need to install the Tkinter on pip or on terminal because it has provided when you install the Python. So with Tkinter you can create your own app and then you can combine with another modules. So first we want to create an empty window. To create it, we can write 3 lines of Python first from Tkinter import. This symbol means that we have import all that inside of Tkinter, and then root equal tk. This t is minuscule and this k is minuscule, and then root dot main loop. This root is variable, so you can change to any word you like. With this, we can run, and we will see an empty window without text and nothing in here. And now we can change our window title. So root title, I can write in here my app, and then we can change our window background with right root and then bz equal, I want to give green, so we can see it. We can run and we will see the window background was green and the title was my app. Okay, so we can create a text. To create a text, we need the label, but first we must write our variable label 1. So we can change it to any word you like. And then label, this must be right, and then root, and then text. I want to write text on the screen, like on my window, like welcome. And then I want to give my text font. I will use times. Okay, Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Okay, Times New Roman, and then I will give the size of my text 30. And to show this text on the screen, we must write this variable label 1. I write down this, and then I can write tag, and then I can set it on the top. I can write side and then top. It means that I will place my text on top of my screen. You see that this is on top, and also at center, in center. So we can change also my text background. So it can be same with my window background. I can write in here green. I can change it to green, and then I can run again. You will see my text has the same background with the window. Now I will create a button, but first I must write my variable button 1. Then I must write button and then root and text. Write the text or write the word that you want right at the button, on the button. So I will write in here click, and then I can give the font to make my text here. I can copy this font and I will paste it here, and then I will to show the button on screen. We must write in here our variable button 1, and then place or peg. You can write peg or you can write place to specify the place of the button. You can write the horizontal. I can write in here 600, and then for the vertical I want to write in here only 100, and then we can run it again to see the result. Now you can see the click button, but nothing happened when you click it. And I can change also the button background. I can write in here busy, and then I write in here blue. to change the button background. So when you click it, it doesn't happen nothing because we didn't give command. So now I will create the command that when you click at the button it will happen something. So to do that, you must write in your def and then write your variable that you want, like click one, and then okay, what do you want to happen? You can write in here. I want to I want that when I click at the button it will show the text on the screen like welcome. Okay, so I can copy this and then I can paste in here in under of the click. I can paste in here. I will change the text like welcome to you have clicked. You have clicked, and then I can change the place because we must set the text place under the button. So we can write in here place, and then for the horizontal we can make same, or and then we can write for the horizontal more down, so 200. Okay, it will nothing happen when you click it because we didn't write anything at the command. We have write the command, but we must write at the button. Okay, so command equal. So if you write in here click one, then in command of the button you must write also click one in here. And when you run, you will see a text when you click at the button. Okay, you see that you have clicked. So we can move the text to the left. So we can write in here like, okay, you can change the horizontal and you run again. Okay, so when you click it, it will show the text. Now I want to create something else like the entry, the space that you can write anything you want, entry. But first we must write the variable like entry1, then equal entry, and then root, and then we must copy the font so the entry will be bigger. Okay, so we can make the entry more bigger, the text of entry more bigger. Okay, we can paste in here. Now we can write the variable into one, and then we can place it like for the horizontal, and then for the vertical. Okay, and then we run again, and we see an entry. Okay, wait, it happened. Now we will run again. Okay, now you see an entry. You can write anything in here, but when you click, nothing happened. It show the command that we have right before. So I want to do in my code when I write in here hello, and then I click at the button, it will show hello at the text. So how I do that? Okay, first I must move the button to down. Okay, so it will not most near with the entry. And now I will delete this command. I will write, okay, wait, I will write in here the text. I will change this text to the command. Okay, I will change it to the entry. Entry 1, the variable entry 1 in here. You will write at the text entry 1. So when entry 1 dot get, so when you click the button, it will show what that you have write at the entry. So you run again, and you will see that. Okay, when I write in here hello, and when I click it, it will show hello. Okay, I will move this text to the best position. So for this, I will move to the tree. Okay, and then this I will move to the right, and then this entry I will move also, and also for the button I will move. Now you will run again, and this is the result. Okay, so when you click and you write in here hello, and you click it, it will show hello. Then when you write in here hi, and you click it, it show hi. Okay, it has all because okay. Now we can move this level 1 to the top of the command. So you move it, you cut this, and then you pass at the top of the command. You pass it in here. Now you will see. Okay. It will not work. It will not work. It will not work. So okay. You must delete this text. Delete this text. Okay. And then you can write the text under the command level 1 dot config, and then write in here text equal, okay, text equal I write in here entry 1 get. Now you can run this, and you will see the result. Okay, wait, we must cut this also, and then you pass in here. Okay, now you can run. So it will not, it will didn't show the any error. Okay, when you write in here hi, and you click at the button, it's so hi, and when you write hello, you click it, it's so hello, and then hello world. When you click it, it's so hello world. Okay, this is the tutorial for today. Don't forget to subscribe at this channel if